Hey, so we are in Bangkok. This is our first day because yesterday we were dead, literally. I will give you an apartment tour. It's not very big, but the view, it's the most interesting part, I guess. Look at this. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. This was only 20 baht. It's so hot. I think it's around 30 degrees. And considering that we came from the place where it's -10 right now, it's hot. Oh my god. This is like a heaven for me. I cannot wait to shop here for all the things I'm gonna bring back home. Wow. We bought a Thai tea. This is like a pretty popular brand, I think. We see many people drink it, so. It's very good, very sweet. Last year we had this and it was amazing, so let's try it this year. Oh my god, it's a coconut smoothie. This mall is crazy, by the way. I've been here a few times already, but looks like a street food style. Look, this is our new backyard. Ah, crazy. This is one of the softest bed sheets I have ever touched, really. And it's cold and amazing. delicious. Okay, so all of this was only 438 baht. Okay, let's try. I've had better ones, but it's good. Let's try the noodles. The noodles are good, but the broth. I love gyoza.
Good.
Yesterday I bought this shirt in gray and now I'm buying the one in black because they are so good. Just got from 7-Eleven and they gave us like 12 straws and we only bought like 4 coffees, so I don't know why. My breakfast, my obsession. I usually get this one. It's very good, but I got this one. I think it's the same but just bigger. We will see. The same. Very good. I love this. This is like a seaweed salad and it's perfectly seasoned and I love it. Also very good. The back alleys. I don't know what lives there, and I think I don't want to know. We've been in this restaurant yesterday, and it was so good, and the owner was very lovely, so I came back. Oh my god! This is pork with rice, some chili sauce, and fried egg. Looks good. Then we have a chicken with cashew nuts and chili and onion. Okay, we devoured everything in like 10 minutes because it was that good, really. One of the best places we've been in the whole Thailand, I believe.